Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video we are going to solve another aging problem related with the O2 sensor, but you'll see later in the video that it wasn't a problem with the O2 sensor. We are also going to fix a problem with the third stop because not all the bulbs are working. The rear wiper, it's not working either, so I'm gonna also fix that. I'm going to install a sequential turn sign, and I would like to know what you think about it. And finally, I'm going to restore the Audi wheels because they look terrible, guys. When I bought this car, I had a problem with the O2 sensor, and at that time I replaced it with a new one, but unfortunately I installed a wrong one. So right now I bought an original one in a used condition, but it's working perfectly, to see if the problem is the sensor or it's another problem. And actually in the video you'll see that the sensor is not the problem. Guys, remember that I'm using videos that I already have on my channel to make this series. So if you want to see something in more details, check out my YouTube channel and you'll find out what you are looking for in more details because I have these videos like in a do-it-yourself format. And it's raining. Jesus. So guys, today is a complete different day. I was editing the video with the O2 sensor replacement, but I realized the video was too poor and I thought, okay, why not try to fix this error. Guys, I was trying to record the VCDS, but I don't know why I cannot just record the main screen. So what I'm gonna do to show you the fall error is I saved the log errors and I'm gonna show you. Let me probably I can capture my computer screen. So guys, from what I read about this error, this could be a problem related also with the fuel pressure regulator, which in my case probably is not because it's new. But if you want to see how to replace, which is really easy, I have a video showing how to replace it. The O2 sensor should not be my problem because I already replaced it, not for a new one but for a used one in a good condition. The fuel pressure regulator also is not my problem, or should not be my problem because it's also new. So I will take a look over this guy over here because I never clean it. So I will try to clean. So guys, this canister valve over here, I will remove it, clean it, and then I will scan again to see if fixed my problem or not. If it fixed, that's perfect, but if not fixed, I need to continue to search for my problem. So guys, let's go to clean this guy over here. So guys, I made another scan. Once again, sorry, but this thing is not allowing me to record the VCDS scan. But I only have this fault code over here. Probably it's because I just turned off the battery, and I'm doing that all the time, so this is not a problem because I turn on the car and that's okay. Then I will clear this and should be fine. So as you can see, my problem seems to be fixed, which is perfect, and let's go. So guys, as you saw, my problem at least it's fixed. I scanned it again and now I have another issue related with engine start blocked by immobilizer. Guys, this is probably an error because I unplugged the battery. I'm always doing that because I keep the car at my mother house. I'm not driving the car right now because I'm restoring it. I know that I have this problem for a long time, basically since I have this car. So guys, this guy over here, was my problem. With this problem solved, let's now solve the problem with the third stoplight. To fix these lights, you will need bulbs, new bulbs, but I will keep it to show you because I already disassembled these trims to see what is going on, of course, with the brake light. And I realized there was one interesting thing, but I will keep that a little bit further in the video. So guys, let's fix this. Let's go. So now you have access to the brake light. All you need to do is to remove another screw. And it's out. So now we need to unplug this. And here it is. So guys, since the light is out, all you need to do is to remove this plastic red cover. But I truly recommend that you use something like this and not to use screwdrivers because this is plastic and you can break it. So what I usually do, I always have this kind of tools. This is really cheap. This is like $1, €1, whatever. And I usually do this. Let me try to show you. See. I already removed the plastic red cover and I removed this before to see what kind of bulbs this use. And the interesting thing that I found is that someone put the wrong bulbs. On the back of the brake light it says what bulbs you should use. I'm gonna show you closer. So right here it says 12 volts, 2.3 watts. I mentioned this because someone installed over here, probably I cannot show in the camera, but is 12 volts 1.2 watts. So this is the wrong bulbs. So I bought this kit over here that brings 10 bulbs, 12 volts, 2.3 watts, okay? Since we have the plastic covers disassembled, I'm going to take the opportunity to solve the problem of the rear window wiper, which is not working. And WD-14 can be your best friend when you are working on old cars. So guys, I disassembled the motor and I realized that the rotor, it's like, I don't know what happened. So guys, I will not spend a lot of time with this. I will just buy another one, probably a used one, and install. So guys, I bought another motor. They are not exactly the same, but I believe it will work. This is the original one that was installed in the car. As you can see, there is an A right here. The part number is the same, but this letter, I believe that is something related with options, a pin out or something, I'm not sure. And this one have the letter B. I'm not sure what is the difference, but let's test and see if this works. Oh, nice, it's working. Cool. Since the motor is working, I will assemble everything to see if everything is working as it should be. Let's go. So guys, one last problem in the Audi. So guys, this motor was not new. I bought used it, but it's working perfectly. All I need to do is to find the right cover for this sprayer, because the previous one don't have this sprayer. Someone deleted for some reason. But I want to keep this, so I need to find the right part for this. I bought side lights like a black ones with a sequential sign. I don't know if the right name is sequential in English, but I believe it is. The installation is pretty easy. I don't pretend in this video, you know, like to show you how to do it, because this is like plug and play. My intention in this video is to ask you your opinion, so please leave in the comments if you like this kind of side lights, if you don't like, but let me show you what I'm talking about. So guys, this side lights, this is LEDs, and it have a different effect from the normal ones. You know, I already installed one. It's not working, I don't know why, but probably a bad contact, but I will try to see. I already installed one to see if I like it or not, and I'm not sure if I like it, you know. So basically I have these white ones that actually they are also new, and I have the black ones. These ones are the normal ones, okay, but they are brand new. These ones that are installed in the car, actually I just have one right now, but they are new. I installed these ones, I replaced for the orange ones. I like these ones, but I think these ones are cool, you know. I don't know. So guys, I will show you the difference between each other in the car. Remember, the car will be painted in black, okay? Don't forget, in the end of the project I will send the car for painted in black, okay? And this is also black, and I believe it will be, you know, cool, this effect that this thing gives. But let me show you the difference. So this is the normal one, you see. The big difference that these ones usually are orange. Yeah, someone don't have a car, it have a smoker. Look at this. Jesus. So guys, this is the normal ones. You cannot see, probably cannot see really well during the day, but it's normal ones, but white of course. This is usually it's orange. And let me show the other one. So guys, what you think? I kind of like it, you know. Yeah, I don't know. So guys, leave in the comments your opinion, if you prefer these white ones or the black ones, you know, with that sequential effect. I actually like it, but I don't know, guys. So guys, leave in the comments your opinion. I will install parking sensors in this car. It's something that I believe it's really useful, you know, and this car don't have. So I decided to buy a kit that is right here. This kit didn't even cost me like $10 or euros. It cost me 8 and something, so it's quite cheap. This kit over here only have the beep, because I don't like to install, you know, that monitors that they bring, unless you have a 2dim, which I believe it's pretty cool, a 2dim with the camera, okay? But I will not install a 2dim in this car, so I just want to have a parking sensor with the beep, which is the case of this one. I bought this one in AliExpress, okay? There is a lot of options in AliExpress with these kits. So guys, let's go to install these parking sensors. Let's go, guys. So guys, here's the kit that I bought. This kit comes with the module, of course, the buzzer, and 4 proximity sensors. And one nice thing also came with the drill to make the holes on the right sides of the sensor. So this is a plus for me. to make sure that I make the holes in the right size. So guys, I already make like the connection to test to see if everything it's working or not. I already make the reverse connection. Of course I need to finish, but let's test and see if it's working. Nice. Let's go to this side. Okay. I just need to finish these connections right here and install, try to pass the cables inside, and that's it guys. So guys, what I did, I passed the cables under here over the draining point right here, and then goes under here so the cables won't be visible. Here's the connection, let me show you. One to the negative, another one to the positive. So guys, in the future I need to remove the bumper to fix this crack over here. Probably I'll send the cables through the bumper, probably, let's see, but at least it's installed. But if I need to change, I just need to change the position of the cables, which is pretty easy. So guys, I placed my camera over there and let's see if these things it's measuring. Okay, let's go inside. So guys, the other camera it's capturing. Okay, I heard a beep, so it beeps when you put the reverse, and now let's see. Holy, start beeping, beep beep. Okay, I hope it's good. Let's see. Wow, perfect. I think it's a good moment to start working more in a little bit of details, and I think it's a good idea to give a paint in these wheels, you know, because they are not looking so good. I already did this before in the Volkswagen Polo restoration, and to be honest, the wheels that I restored for the Volkswagen Polo, for me, it's one of the best jobs I ever did, because the wheels that I bought for the Volkswagen Polo, it was like destroyed, and these ones are not so bad. These ones are not so bad as the Volkswagen was, but what I'm gonna do is to sand it, apply the primer, the paint, and then the clear coat. The thing is, it's really early in the morning. I don't want to make a lot of noise, so I'll try first to sand it manually. So guys, it is what it is. So let's go to start sanding these wheels to install in the Audi. And actually I already repaint two of them that are installed in the front of the car, but it's missing another two. Basically I already test this color right here, and I think it's, at least for me, in my opinion, it's really good. So guys, let's start to work and let's go.
Just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. No, no. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
So guys, the wheel is ready. Now I'm gonna show you the difference in the car. I will assemble this wheel in the car. It's missing this center cap that actually I have to buy two. I have two that are damaged, but I will put one right here to show you the huge difference between the old one that is in the car and this one. And guys, as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.